Alright. I believe I'm in focus here, and we are back with another video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I've posted a video. Life's been busy, man. I know I've got to be better at keeping up on this YouTube stuff here. I'm busy working on videos for other people and stuff like that, you know, and just everything else. But hey, we're back, and I've got a video I want to work on with you guys today. And I'm going to try and help make your guys' videos stand out. I know everyone's making a fishing YouTube channel nowadays. Everybody's gotta have videos, gotta have the best videos, and video quality is going through the roof. So my goal for this video here is to help you guys make your videos stand out, possibly from what the other videos are out there. So yeah, here we go. Roll the intro. Alright guys, so as you know, I like to make videos that I think are going to help people. If it's something that I've always had a question on or something I've been struggling with, you know, I try to take that experience and try to make it into a video to help somebody else who might be going through having the same questions, going through the same problems, whatever. So in this video, I want to help you make your own B-roll, or at least try to make it better than maybe what you're doing already. B-roll is something that goes over the main video. You know, it lays over while you're talking. You know, maybe it's a landscape shot. Maybe it's a fish jump in this case, because we're making fishing videos. Something to that effect adds a little bit more action, adds a little bit more, I don't know, just adds something extra to the video that maybe will make your video stand out from the rest. And that's the ultimate goal, right? We're all out here, we're all trying to make the best content that we can. So in this video, my goal is to help you guys possibly create the best content that you can. So in today's video, I'm going to use a couple examples that I did in, I made a product video. It was for a company named Bass Reaper Bait Company. Feel free to check them out, they make great products. But I shot that entire video, for the most part, on my own. So I wanted to share a couple of the little tricks that I did. I'm going to show you guys a real quick clip here. So in that clip there, there's a couple things that I'm going to break down on. First off, I'm going to go through the equipment that I've used. It's pretty basic, guys. Like I said, we're not using high level equipment here. Everyone out there is on a budget, okay? So this is something that I think you guys can afford. First off, the camera that I'm shooting on, camera that we're shooting this on right now, is a Canon 250D. Right now I've got my 50mm lens on. But for the most part, I use a couple lenses here. I've got my 24mm, which is actually what I shot everything in that video on for the most part. And then this is what came with the camera. It's an 18-55, so if you like something that kind of adjusts a little bit, you can get a little bit wider than the 24mm, but you can also get up a little closer, so if you do film somebody in the back of the boat, you can zoom in on them and stuff like that. But those are the two main camera lenses that I used on the camera. And then also my GoPro. It's a little Hero, I think a Hero Session, so it was like the 5 or something like that around the time. This is quite a few years old, but it is a waterproof GoPro. Now they don't make, the newer GoPros aren't waterproof like they used to be. So I would not recommend dunking your brand new GoPro. I'd hate to see you guys waste some money on that. But that's the equipment that I used. So the first part would be the underwater shots. You know, very simple. All I did was I was fishing the bank. I found something that had a couple different transitions to it, you know, so maybe some spot that had some rock. Also that was close to some weeds, so I could take a couple different shots, and these were shot within 10 foot of each other. The Ned rig shot was shot over the rock edge. The drop shot I did through some of the grass looking stuff. And what I did is I just took my GoPro. Like I said, it's waterproof. Make sure you're doing the waterproof ones. Do not sink your brand new GoPro that's not waterproof and wreck it. So pretty much what I do is I take the GoPro, I'd set it under the water and I just kind of cast the bait out just a little bit and bring it in. So that way you're getting that bait coming what seems like from out of the depths of the water, but you wouldn't really guess that that video was shot in probably that deep of water. Very simple, like I said. You know, I'm not trying to make this complicated. It's all about trying to elevate your video game and go from there. My next shot, which I was kind of proud of, is the reel drag. Alright, you know, like a big fish was just sitting there running with the reel. No fish was caught in that little segment right there. So what I did was I was shooting with the 24 mil on the camera, and what I do is I would hold it in this hand and flip your back screen around so you can kind of see it. Kept it on autofocus so that way it would focus on the reel, and I've got my little tiny pole here so I can handle it here in the office. And pretty much what you do is I took the end of the line and actually just stepped on it, you know, because I'm holding the reel. Essentially I'm holding the camera in this hand, got the rod and reel in this hand, okay? So what you do is when you step on it and you loosen the drag up, and then once you get that tension going on there, it just spins that drag. That's all it does. So if you're looking to get that little bit of a drag, pull kind of shot or something like that, something a little quick, adds a little bit of, you know, if maybe you're telling a story or something like that in your video of a big fish catch or something like that, or you set the hook and you just want to have that little bit of reel drag just to add some emphasis to the fish catch or whatever. It's a great trick to do. Like I said, and it's when you're by yourself, you know, not everyone can afford to have a camera guy. You know, I do a lot of stuff by myself as well. I do a lot of stuff for other people, so that's where I've come across different ways to shoot things, and this is where I'm just trying to pass this along to you. So yeah, those were just a couple different ways that, you know, I shot some B-roll. Something, like I said, it adds a little bit more creativity to the video, maybe helps it stand out a little bit above the rest, you know, than what your buddy's doing or whatever, you know, because the name of the game in this video content world we live in now, you've got to have good content, you know. Subpar content doesn't get you far anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I'd love to hear your feedback on whether this was helpful or not. Like I said, I'm going to try and work on getting more videos out there for you guys. You know, I'm not a big fan of regurgitating content of, you know, there's a million videos out there, how to tie an FG knot, how to do this, how to do that. You know, I'm not here to try and just make a billion videos and just regurgitate a bunch of content. You know, I'm trying to help you actually put content out there that helps the viewer. You know, trying to do something a little different here and there. So can't promise when my next video is going to be. Hopefully sooner rather than later. But hopefully, if you guys have anything that you'd like to get my input on, like me to make a video on, feel free to drop it below in the comments. You know, I'd be happy to make a video for you guys. You know, it gives me a chance to do more creative work like this. So I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, because, you know, gotta say that it's the YouTube world. You gotta say like and subscribe. So feel free to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.